Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the app. Open your profile and tap the three-line menu. Once there, go to Settings and Privacy and choose History so you can access watch records. If watch history is off, toggle it on. This lets TikTok save what you watch going forward. If it's already enabled, you're ready to search. Also make sure your app is updated, because older versions hide history features. Now that history is active, move to the search and filter steps next. Once you're in watch history, scroll to scan recent items and use the search bar to find a specific clip by creator name, keyword, or tag. You can also filter between liked and saved content to narrow results quickly. This reduces time if you remember only the type of video. Tap any entry to reopen it, and long press to save, share, or report. If a video disappeared, check liked videos and saved folders next, because sometimes you saved instead of just watched. To finish, if the video isn't in watch history, check liked and saved folders and your drafts. You may have interacted differently than you remember. Next, inspect account activity or device history in settings for linked actions that hint at the clip. If the creator removed the video, you'll need to research that creator's profile or check notifications for reposts. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing shows, log out and back in and update the app. Sometimes cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.